Hi friends, I am architect, entrepreneur, director of Intrior One Private Limited. Today we are here to see House of Jaswals, a family of 5. Pratik, Kanchan, their daughter and their parents. It's a 3 BHK apartment at OZONE ACME, Godbandar Road, Thane West. The brief from the client was simple, earthy look, ethnic look with a touch of modern utility. Let us start with the safety door. Mind you, the entire house was in budgeted estimate. Safety door is made up of teakwood textured laminate. The safety grille is made in CNC cut bronze metal sheet, and the handle was very symbolic, ethnic, and it was the highlight of entire safety door, which we took of deer shape. The nameplate was subtly backlit and downlit with again ethnic signage of Warli sculptures on it. When you come inside, you see foyer area. Foyer area had a niche what was flattened. We gave a normal ceiling there, and shoe rack in white laminate, white glossy laminate with handles or knobs of white color, and we complemented that with again teakwood laminate. The top was of teakwood laminate, frame of the mirror which we placed on the wall paneling, as you can see, was of teakwood, and we placed inserted profile lights inside the mirror which gave light on your face and which gave an warmth vibe and a drama to entire foyer area. Talking individually about the TV unit area. TV unit area was the largest wall in the living room. In that entire TV unit area, we camouflaged the entrance to kitchen with a sliding door. When the door closed, entire wall looked as panelled for TV unit. Again, in paneling in TV unit, we placed 3 things. One is your workstation, which again went with the flow of TV unit, with storage for your workstations, which did not stand out as a workstation but looked as a TV unit, so that it also gives a vibe of you being in home rather than being in office. It was panelled with again marble textured laminate with T-putty insert of black color in it. Mind you, we also gave them temple inside living room area. The placement of temple at living was necessary because that was the corner according to the Vastu. Moreover, that gave a very positive vibe in living room. As soon as you enter, you could see that temple. Temple was made with white acrylic, again with CNC cut in our machines at factory, and was designed very contemporary. It was again given with inserts of profile lights to add the drama to entire temple. We gave 2 bells to make it very ethnical look. As you slide in from the living room towards kitchen with the camouflage door in the TV unit, kitchen was made of single glossy laminate. The shutters were made in our factory, which was edge bended with the same glossy PVC edge bending tape. Kitchen was in 2 units, parallel platform it had. One was main kitchen counter and other was service counter. Below service counter, we gave an insert for dishwasher and beaker baskets to store their onions or potatoes. And the other main service counter had SS trolleys. SS trolleys include soft close masala pullouts, their utensil trolley, their cutlery trays, and other small dishes trolleys, as you can see. Moreover, in overhead unit, we concealed the water purifier The overhead unit also was soft close shutter. We gave an placement for chimney, which was a ductless chimney there. We added a profile concealed light below the overhead unit, which added to the entire drama of the kitchen, which enlightened kitchen very nicely. That even gave light to the cooking area and service area. Now we go to the passage area where all the 3 bedrooms are connected. In passage area there was a niche available. We did not want to waste even a single space in his house, so we made a storage for his sports equipments such as cricket bat, badminton bat below storage, and we gave an above vertical storage for his guitar and other overhead storage for his hobbies, indoor games and other utensils. Now moving to the daughter's bedroom. Daughter's bedroom was very subtly designed. It did not scream out. They wanted ample of space for their daughter to move around in her bedroom, so we made a folding bed. We gave her study table and her own personal wardrobe. The wardrobe was designed according to her requirement, so we gave a 12-inch drawer at skirting level to store her toys or bags, school bag or books. We gave inside of the wardrobe with customized design according to their daughters and their requirement. Moreover, you can find the lights were placed inside the wardrobe, which were auto sensor lights. When we shuttered the storage shutters, the lights automatically went off, and when you opened it, it enlightened the inside of the wardrobe. Coming to the folding bed, we placed a continuous ledge at the height of study table so that can be used for various purposes by their daughter, and we gave an folding ledge on above the folding bed so that when you unfold that bed, the ledge acts as leg for that bed and makes that bed more steadier. Now you can see when the bed is folded, the area, the entire wardrobe, study table and bed aligns in one row, and the bedroom entirely is free for them to play and act as a play area. We even gave overhead storage above that wardrobe. Mind you, we did not do any false ceiling in bedrooms because they did not wanted bedrooms to be flashy. That's why you can see the laminates are also subtle, they are not screaming out. Coming to the master bedroom, that is the bedroom of couple. Bedroom was again with the simple color theme of off-white. In wardrobe, to add a bit drama or bit design element, we added a longitudinal mirror. Again, it was a sliding wardrobe, did not want any attention, was subtle towards an wall. Bed with headrest, we gave an moss green color kind of headrest, and same color textured laminate was used on the TV unit opposite to the bed. Besides TV unit, we gave an folding study table unit. It was folding so that it did not act clutter or it did not add the space into the room. Again, the top of the study table was made of rewritable laminate in which we could write. Now if you see inside the wardrobe of Mr. Pratik, it was made up of entirely white laminates. The functionality of the wardrobe was according to their requirement. Now coming to the parents' bedroom. In parents' bedroom, again we used a subtle off-white beigeish color with textured laminate. As I told you, couple wanted to just play with textures and not more with the colors. So we played with textured laminate, which added an ethnical vibe of textures, which was used during Varli paintings also. So that gave an Indian touch. Wardrobe was hinged wardrobe. It was inserted inside a niche and again with dual textures, above with a textured laminate and below with subtle off-white laminate. Besides wardrobe, we gave a folding study table with an ledge above. Ledge had a light which gave down to the study table. Study table was folding so that again the passage was free of clutter. Bed was placed at the right dimension, right area, with a backrest which matched the entire decor. Now coming towards the toilet. The flat had 3 toilets. In all these 3 toilets, we suggested them to give a big mirror so that the depth of the toilet looked big. It had a high utility value, and we gave a concealed inserted profile lights with touch sensor which added a complete luxury vibe in the toilet. So this was the house of Pratik Jaiswal. They were super happy to see the result. Maximum things were made in our factory. We played with subtle colors, pastel colors. Again, the brief or design was around the brief of client, as we are known to be client centric. The entire process was everything was process oriented, which helped them to complete the site according to their dreams, in time, in their budget. Now, if you wish your dream home to come into life, do contact us. To get such more videos, please do not forget to subscribe and like us. Also do follow us on Facebook and Insta. Thank you.